Once your kombucha is done fermenting, remove the cloth from the top of the fermenter. You will notice that the scoby has grown and taken over the entire surface of the fermenter. Using a scoby scoop, ladle, or your hands, remove the scoby from the top of the fermenter. If you plan on keeping the scoby to reuse it, place inside a cleaned and sanitized container. Fill that container with your fermented kombucha to use as starter liquid for your next batch. Place a lid on top of your storage container and keep in the refrigerator. Whatever fruit flavor you decide to add to your fermenter, make sure you wash the fruit thoroughly before adding. We typically add about 1 cup of fresh fruit per 1 gallon of kombucha, so this batch we're adding 5 cups of fresh raspberries. You can add the fruit whole or smash it up to extract more flavor from the fruit. Place an airtight lid on your fermenter and add an airlock. After about 3 to 5 days, your kombucha will be ready to keg.